What is a private money lender?
An individual who privately and contractually lends money to investors for a specific purpose, on the condition that their money be repaid with interest within an agreed period of time.
Example of private money lenders: Bob the merchant, Jill the policewoman, Sarah the cleaner, Joe the artist. What type of investor would they lend to?
Camila, the real estate investor.
How does it work?
Camila needs $100,000 to buy an investment property. Sarah the cleaner lends it to her under a contractual agreement. The agreement says Sarah gets her money back plus interest within an agreed period of time.
How is this safe for Sarah?
Camila will have her team draft a promissory note, making the transaction legally binding. Sarah's name will go on the recorded mortgage for the property, so nothing can happen without Sarah's approval. Sarah's name will also be listed on an insurance policy, adding further protection to her investment.
How much interest is Sarah paid?
Depends on the deal, but usually 6 to 12% of the loan amount.
How soon does she get it all back?
Depends on the deal, but usually within 12 months.
Is lending money for protected, secured, and insured asset right for you?
Direct message me for more information. I would be happy to answer you.